Why be so hard on myself? Nobody's perfect. I gotta work it again and again till I get it right. Nobody's perfect. I'm living and learning, and if I mess it up sometimes, hey, nobody's perfect. Sometimes I work a scheme, but then it flips on me. Doesn't turn out how I plan. Get stuck in quicksand, but no problem can't be solved. Once I get involved, I'll try to be delicate, then crash right into it. But my intentions are good, yeah, yeah. Sometimes just misunderstood. Nobody's perfect. I gotta work it again and again till I get it right. Nobody's perfect. I'm living and learning, and if I mess it up sometimes, nobody's perfect. I gotta work it all the time, but I'll find a way. Nobody's perfect. Sometimes I fix things up and they fall apart again. Nobody's perfect. I wanna fix things up, but I always get it right in the end. You know I do. Next time you feel like it's just one of those days when you just can't seem to win, if things don't turn out the way you planned, figure something else out. Don't stay down.